Mr. 50,000 easy motherfucking money from the one and only Easy ColorWorks. I'm going to show you all the bells and whistles that come with the Longhorn 2500. Some people just might not know. First and foremost, it has this awesome interior.
I'm big pressure. I'm big pressure. I'm big pressure. I'm big pressure. Submit cars, I got it. Match with the gate.
The 2020 Ram Longhorn is one badass truck, and it has the stats to prove it. So get your tickets. Link is in the bio or www.easycolorworks.com. 50K or this badass truck. You take the pick. Right now, triple up ticket deals are: one ticket get you $30. $125 will get you 5,000 chances. $250 will get you 12,000 chances. $500 will get you 26,000 chances. And if you spend $1,000, 55,000 chances at 50K or a 2020 lifted Longhorn 2500 or $50,000. Get your tickets! Get your tickets!